system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Bukhara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Bukhara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9-Num and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Potam and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Bukhara.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
Stand clear. 10 doors opening now.
Hurry. All recruits to transport. No need for safety clearance. It'll be a smooth ride.
Ground crews, deck is in motion. Recruits crossing to transport.
Initiate replay sequence on Deck 3 for Bukhara. Yes, I just want to be sure. All recruits must be on board now. Transport is away in 30 seconds. Good. Yes, check the hyperdrive also.
Transport takeoff in 20 seconds.
Good. Airspeed sensor. Thank you, 9-Num. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative. The engines are hot. Red 2, Blue 5, report.
Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Engage repulsors and hold on, recruits. More ships. Launch. I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Bukhara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
First order TIE fighters. Reroute! Red 2, Blue 5, we're gonna clear a path so transport can make the jump.
Blue 5 taking evasive action.
Try to shake you, Blue.
I'm trying.
We lost Blue 5. I'm gonna try to draw them away.
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready. You won't have much time.
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star Destroyers. We can't. We're caught in a tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
I'll get some friends and make this a fair fight. Don't worry, I'm coming back for you. Stay strong.
Is there anything we can do, 9-Num? No, the tractor beam will be too strong.
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves. Prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, Resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
The ship is now under the command of the First Order. You will exit your right scan processing for your interrogation. Get off the ship now. You surrender. All the way down to your right. Continue moving down to your right into the hallway.
You're closest, so you step forward. Right there.
How many?
These two lines, follow me.
One with them. Sure. With them, the 5.
And that one is now. Plus 1 is 4.
And then you can have one more.
Right there, the rest of you straight out, single file line. See what I mean? Follow line with them. 3 to 4. You 3 go to the front, she's on that 40 line. Ready? 3, over here. Follow line behind them.
Silver and orange enter.
Prisoners are secure.
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay.
The resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
I'm gonna get you guys out of here. Come on, quickly, please, quickly. Blue and red, silver and orange.
Don't worry, friends. Our fight's gonna take care of you guys.
Hi, ma'am. Do me a favor. Can you unbuckle for me, please? Take your purse out from underneath it and rebuckle. Rebuckle on. Yeah, there you go. All right. Pull the yellow tab one more time for me, please. One more time, yellow tab. All right, R5, close the door and watch your hands and legs, please. All right. I have something on my scanner. Did you detect anything on yours? I think there's some stormtroopers outside that door. I gotta make sure it's clear first.
Okay, take this corridor to the turbo lift, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. A probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners.
Attention to long range. There they are! Fire! These escape pods just follow us. Take the left down. Barney! No, not up! I said down! This does not look good. Try to find another way down to the escape pods.
The resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
The prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
Find the best you can!
You outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. I know, Scaffold's probably there.
More escape pods down in Sector 4. Verification pending from key command personnel.
Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck.
We're tracking Beck's pod in the wreckage, sir.
Wreckage? I got a bad feeling about this.
No, sir. He came down in the wreckage site.
That doesn't sound good. He was the backbone of this operation. If anything happened to him...
Stan's last shelter in Sector 4.
Should have waited for him.
Sir.
Lieutenant back here. Brett! You're alive! I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.
Fasten your seatbelts down, all your personal cargo. Watch the stuff. May the force be with you.